All right, folks, we got the brand new Hart 40 volt brushless 20-inch lawnmower kit. All right, I just reviewed the brushless blower, and I'm using it around the house, guys. I've been using it a lot. That blower has one of the best run times, and that's with a 4. All right, this comes with a 5, so I can only imagine the run time on that blower with this 5 amp hour battery. But I am super impressed with the runtime and the performance of that blower. I love it. The thing about this, guys, we're going to open this up. You're going to see it in action, full review here. $287, guys, for a brushless lawnmower, 20 inches. All right, 40 volt, only takes 1 battery. You've got heights. Your height adjustments is from 1.5 inches to 4 inches. All right, so very versatile. All right, all the way down to 1.5 up to 4 inches. All right, obviously it mulches, it bags. Under $300, $287. I don't know, guys. I think that's a great price. Let's open this up, but let's see if it's worth it for that price point. Okay, guys, so you just saw me take this out of the box. All right, super simple. You got a bag. All right, you kind of clip it together with these little clips here to the side. You're ready to go. You got your 2 amp charger. All right, 40 volt, of course, and you got your 5 amp hour battery. All right, now they're saying you can do up to ½ an acre on one full charged battery. All right, so if you got the blower, right, you buy the blower kit, you got a 5 with this and you got a 4 with the blower. All right, so you can do almost an acre, all right, with the included 5 amp hour battery. All right, and if you decide maybe to get the blower, the hedge trimmer, you know, any of these other 40 volt tools, obviously it'll work with this lawnmower. So again, ½ an acre with 1 5. You got 2 5s. Obviously you're doing an acre. Now no one's using a push mower to cut an acre. Excuse me. So you should have more than enough runtime with this mower to do your property. All right, and again, $287. That's a great price point. All right, you saw how light it was. It's 52 pounds. All right, obviously the handle folds down, which is huge. Very similar to the Ryobi, guys, right? Except the Ryobi's green, this is white. You kind of got the same kind of handle. Now, I've never used that Ryobi or own the Ryobi, but you got this adjustable handle here, so if you're a little bit shorter, you can bring this down if you want. All right, maybe your kid is starting to use a lawnmower and he wants to make a couple dollars. Obviously you can, you know, bring this down to here if you want, right? But you can't extend it. All right, you got these 2 clips. Now that's locked into place. And down here, all you got to do is you got these 2 holes right here. All right, you got to just find the one you want and push it in. You can use it here, or if you want to bring it down, I gotta move this one down. I gotta move this one. Now it should. Right? All right. So whatever height you want it, I usually like it a little bit higher. All right. And then with this one, same thing. All right. You find the notch. There you go. All right, and this one's in. All right, so super easy, guys. Takes 2 seconds. All right, now this does not have a side discharge, but at this price point, and to be honest with you, with these lithium-ion mowers, you know, it's a great feature to have. You know, obviously the higher priced mowers, and even, you know, some of the middle priced will come with the side discharge. Now they also make a self-propelled unit. I don't believe that one has side discharge either, but I don't know if any Ryobis, until you get to their top of the line mower with the steel deck, that one might have side discharge. But for the most part, you know, most people are mulching and bagging. Okay, so you have 2 LED lights in the front. So if you want to cut early in the morning, right, it's a little bit dark yet, maybe sun didn't really come out yet, or if you want to cut later in the day, closer at night, you got 2 LED lights. All right, this is your deck lift system. Very easy to maneuver. Like I said, it cuts from 1.5 inches all the way up to 4 inches. Each notch is in 1/2 inch increments. All right, so if you want to cut 3.5 inches, 3 inches, 2.5 inches, you can easily do that with this lever here. All right, very easy to use. All right, so here is your battery compartment area. All right, here's your key. All right, obviously you insert the key, it'll run the mower. You take it out, it'll not run without that key. All right, now this is your main battery compartment. All right, the top one right next to the key. All right, this one right here is a battery storage area. All right, so what's great about this, again, if you do have the leaf blower or the hedge trimmer, all right, and you got that 4 amp hour battery, or maybe even got a 2.5 amp hour battery. You put it in this area. When your one battery is done, it has died, it's out of power, you just switch them out. All right. So this will store a fully charged battery, or obviously maybe a battery with
all right. So this
2 bars,
is the worst grass I think I've ever had.
But you have a storage compartment, and you have your main terminal here that'll run the mower. Nice little feature of this mower.
Crabgrass, dandelion everywhere. Okay. And again, if it can cut this, all right, your lawn should have no problem. All right, we're looking at probably around a foot here. All right, so obviously certain areas are longer, certain areas are shorter, you know, thick dandelion here. All right, let's see what this sucker can do. We're gonna bring it down. I wish they would have had numbers here though, but not really too hard. 4, 3.5, 3. We're gonna cut it at 2.5. Let's see what she can do.
Okay, so here's underneath the deck, all right, 20-inch deck, plastic deck. You know,
did a hell of a
pretty
job.
Nice blade, you know, not super thin.
I'll tell you, these
you got a little curve to it.
They're impressive, guys.
Here's the flap, all right.
I really haven't had one that I haven't really liked.
The grass, lay it down, its main purpose is to keep grass from blowing back at your face. But as you can see,
But
easy to
it got
store,
everything
doesn't
down
take up a
pretty
lot of
pretty
space.
easily.
Um,
All right.
Again, has a lot of features for the
We're gonna
price,
continue
guys.
cutting.
$287.
Actually, we're gonna try to do this area right here.
Tell you guys, you hear it kick on, kick off. Now the ones that it didn't cut down, obviously the blade wasn't able to hit it because it's near the curb, but that just tells you how tall the grass is here. All right, but it cut everything down, guys. The one thing, guys, with this mower is that it is so light. All right, now it says 52 pounds, but pushing this thing is almost like a toy. But I'll tell you, I'm pretty impressed with the build quality of it too. You know, doesn't feel, you know, cheap at all. And just so easy to push. It's just so light. All right, so let's finish up here. All right, and then we'll take it to another area. Guys, this thing is so, it's just so light, guys. I've never, I mean, if you're looking for something that's really light, you don't want to get it self-propelled, maybe you don't want to spend the extra money, but again, maybe you're a little older, or you might have kids that eventually are going to mow your lawn, you know, your children, or, you know, women, you want something super light. This thing is just so easy to push. And the wheels, it runs or moves so easily and smoothly. All right, we're gonna knock over. See all that dandelion right there? Go a little bit closer. All right, real thick, deep. We're gonna see how the Hart can handle this. I'm gonna go right at it. Everything, guys. All right,
Really impressed, guys. All right, folks, so now we're going to use it in bag mode. See how it bags. Take out the mulch plug. All right, got these 2 notches right here. 1, 2. That's what this is going to rest on. These 2 metal pieces. All right, super easy. We're going to go through some heavy, thick grass, and we're going to try to get over that dandelion again, and we'll see how it bags. All right, so as you can see, beautiful cut. All right, no stragglers, no nothing. Obviously you heard it kicking up its RPMs, not uncommon. As you can see, cut down everything. Again, this grass definitely around a foot tall. Let's see how it looks in the bag. This should be pretty full, actually, even though we only did 2 passes. It's probably pretty full just because of the height of the grass. No, actually not too much. All right. So did a great job bagging. You know, for the price point, guys, $287.